Share the Love family, welcome to another episode. Oh my goodness, this week we are grilling with vegetables from where, Mom?
From the Mill Creek Community Urban Farm, 49th and Brown. So all of our vegetables that you'll see today that we made on skewers are directly from them. Eggplant, yellow squash, zucchini, orange squash, just beautiful, beautiful. From the farm to the table vegetables, and they were simply amazing.
Organic, hand-picked directly to you. So without further ado, share the love.
Share the show. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. Take care. And here's Jeremy. He's harvesting squash.
And we are here harvesting yellow squash. Look how beautiful these are. And sometimes you can just twist them and pull them right on over. Look at that. Keep on harvesting.
You know, most things are flowers before they become vegetables. Look at the beautiful flower. That's what the cucumber is. It's a flower first, and then it becomes this gorgeous green vegetable. So all these are potential cucumbers. Look at the beautiful yellow. Awesome.